In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix Discord audio not working on mobile devices. Now, there could be multiple reasons why, and the first thing you want to do is you want to check your audio output and volume. So obviously, you want to make sure that your device actually does have its audio turned up just like so. So again, I know that seems really obvious, but you definitely want to go ahead and check that out first. All right, and now we need to go ahead and fiddle around with our device settings. So you need to go ahead and select over here to where it says settings, and basically you want to go ahead and search for apps right over here on the search bar. And by the way, this will work both on iOS and Android devices. Obviously, the UI is going to look slightly different, but the principle is still the same thing. So you want to go over here to where it says apps, and then just scroll down until you see Discord. Yep, so here it is. Then you want to go ahead and select on permissions just like so, and you want to make sure that Discord does have music and audio permissions just like this. So if Discord doesn't have it already, please give it permission, which you should be able to do right over here, and it's really important that you actually do that. And also, if you're using like Bluetooth or wired headphones, you need to make sure that they're connected and make sure that they're in good condition. Like if you're using a wired cable, make sure that the headphone jack is in good condition, and if you're using Bluetooth, make sure that it is actually paired to your device. So also, another thing that you want to do is you want to go ahead and clear out the cache. So to do that, all you want to do is you want to go ahead and select over here to where it says storage. Then you want to go ahead and select over here where it says clear cache. And basically, whenever you clear cache, it is going to delete all of the corrupted files in the application. And sometimes those corrupted files can cause issues, and sometimes they could mess up with like the audio of Discord. So that is definitely something you want to go ahead and check. All right, and the next thing you want to do is you want to go ahead and open up Discord this time, and then you just want to go to Discord settings just like so. Let's go ahead and press on that. All right, and then you just want to go ahead and keep on scrolling down until you see voice. Then just make sure that the input device is put in correctly, and then over here where it says output, make sure that that is actually turned on right over here, and there you go. So what could be happening is that the volume is like incredibly low, so you want to make sure that the output is a decent amount of volume so that you're actually able to hear it. So that is definitely another thing that you want to go ahead and check out. And sometimes what could be happening is your input mode may not be what you expect. For example, your input mode might be set to push to talk, but if you're not actually pushing anything, then obviously your voice is not going to be heard. So you just want to go ahead and check those settings as well. And also you want to check your mute/deafen status, because you or the server may have muted or deafened you. So again, just keep that in mind. But guys, if things are still not working, then what I personally recommend that you guys do is uninstall the Discord application and then reinstall it, which you should be able to do. And I know it's a little bit inconvenient, but honestly, that is certainly a good way to go ahead and fix the issue. And obviously, if you're using a Bluetooth device, make sure that it is properly paired and that it is in good condition. If you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next tutorial.